Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a video tutorial with Screencast-O-Matic, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Screencast-O-Matic website. Click on the Get Started button. Choose whether to use the web-based recorder or download the desktop application. If you select the desktop option, follow the prompts to download and install the software. Once installed, launch Screencast-O-Matic. Select Record from the main dashboard. You will see options for screen recording, webcam recording, or both. Choose the screen recording option if you want to capture your screen. Adjust the recording area by dragging the corners of the selection box. Make sure to include the areas of the screen you want to showcase. Click on the microphone icon to enable audio recording. Select your preferred microphone from the drop-down menu. Do a quick microphone test to check the input levels. Ensure that you can hear yourself clearly without any distortion. Click on the Rec button to start recording. Begin your tutorial by explaining the topic or software you will cover. Speak clearly and engage your audience with a friendly tone. Use annotations or highlight areas on the screen as you demonstrate. Pause if necessary to collect your thoughts, and pick up where you left off. When you have finished your tutorial, click on the Pause button. Review your recording by clicking the Play button. If you're satisfied with your content, click on the Done button. Choose to edit your video if you wish to trim or add text. Utilize the editing tools available to enhance your video quality. Once editing is complete, click on Done to proceed. Select your desired export option. You can publish directly to platforms like YouTube or save it to your computer. If saving to your computer, choose an appropriate file format. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.